Welcome to our deep dive into sales forecasting. Today, we'll explore how probability and time series analysis can revolutionize your sales prediction. First, let's establish a foundational understanding of time series forecasting. It's all about predicting future values based on past observations, ordered in time. The core idea is that sales data, when viewed over time, often reveals patterns. These patterns are crucial for making educated guesses about what's to come. Next, let's explore one of the most powerful tools in our forecasting arsenal, correlation. Understanding how different factors move together is key. Correlation helps us quantify the relationship between time and sales. Does sales volume increase steadily over months, or are there specific seasonal peaks? This understanding is vital for strategic business decisions, allowing us to anticipate demand, allocate resources efficiently, and fine-tune our sales strategies. Now let's introduce probability distributions, which help us model the likelihood of various sales outcomes. The normal distribution often describes sales data that clusters around an average, giving us a good idea of expected sales figures under typical conditions. For discrete events, like the number of sales per day, the Poisson distribution is incredibly useful, especially when sales are infrequent or random. Next, we'll explore conditional probability, which helps us understand how the likelihood of one event impacts another. Conditional probability allows us to ask, what's the probability of achieving a certain sales target, given that we are in a specific time period, like Q4? By analyzing past sales data, we can create more accurate conditional probabilities, understanding how historical performance shapes future predictions. Let's combine these concepts by looking at how time series models integrate probability for robust forecasting. ARIMA models use past values and errors to predict future sales, inherently incorporating probabilistic elements to account for uncertainty. Markov chains are excellent for modeling sequential sales patterns, where the probability of future sales depends only on the current state. Now, let's look at how we can put these theoretical concepts into practical use for real-world sales forecasting. The first step is always to gather your historical sales data. This data is the backbone of building effective and reliable forecasting models. Interpreting the outputs of your probabilistic models allows you to make informed business decisions, adjusting strategies, and optimizing resource allocation. In conclusion, leveraging probability in time series sales forecasting is a game changer for any business. By understanding correlation, applying probability distributions, and using advanced time series models, you can achieve significantly stronger and more reliable sales forecasts. Continuous improvement is key. Keep refining your models, adapting to new data, and embracing emerging techniques to stay ahead in your sales predictions.